MicroCap, step-by-step guide. The materials you'll need to work with MicroCap are the following: MicroCap mold, embedding resin, mixing tools, tweezers, labels, and a polishing system. The first step is to fill the half-capsule cavities with resin or paraffin for biological samples. You can use the tools included on the kit or simply the ones of your choice. Once the resin is dry, carefully place the label, then position the sample to ensure permanent identification. Use a standard 5 by 35 millimeter label, or simply the ones included in the kit. If needed, cyanoacrylate adhesive can be used to help keep the sample in place. Once completed, we place the half capsule on the full capsule cavity and add resin, completing the embedding process. The final step is to cure and polish the sample. The sample should be polished until it reaches the guide level indicated on the capsule for permanent preservation, or even further if it is to be cut for investigation or study. This way, the sample remains fully encapsulated and safely preserved, faster, precise, and simpler.
Because microsamples deserve maximum results.
Discover more at forheritageconservation.com